Hello. Whether you're deciding what shelving to buy or have just bought your Zamba Boltless shelving, I'm sure you'll find this video as helpful as I did. Zamba is British-made shelving that's fully recyclable using energy from renewable sources and ultra-low bake powder coating technology. The shelving will last for years. This video is less than 5 minutes long, and it really will not be much longer before you're ready to fill your own shelves. So let's get started. There are written instructions. These show a list of contents. Have a check through to make sure you have everything. Also, make sure that you protect the floor you're assembling the shelving on, as you could damage it when you tap the shelves into place. During assembly, you can always pause the video at each stage if you wish. Though you can assemble the unit without tools, Zamba recommend you use a rubber mallet or improvise by using a telephone directory and rolling pin, for example, as shown here. If you do not use tools, you may hurt your hand, so it's entirely your decision. Make sure you've got a nice clear space to work in, close to where the final unit will be situated. You'll see on the uprights a series of tangs, that's the pointed raised pieces, and on each shelf you'll see slots called louvres. The louvres slot into the tangs. To start, get one shelf and place it the right way up on the floor in front of you. Then hold one of the uprights with the tangs pointing upward and press it gently against the side of the shelf. Lift the shelf, maintaining the pressure. You'll feel the tangs and louvres click into place. If you try to line the tangs and louvres by eye, it just won't work, so trust your senses. Now push or tap the shelf down to engage the tips of the tangs. Using a rubber mallet, lightly tap on the top corner edge of the shelf to locate the tang and louvres fully. Don't hit the flat section of the shelf, as you may dent it. You can now repeat the process for the remaining corners, so the uprights stand vertically. Once you have all the uprights in place, you'll find the rest plain sailing. You're now ready for the second shelf. Place the shelf in position and then slightly pulling out the uprights, you can locate the lower louvre on each corner between the tangs. Now this is done, simply tap the shelf into location as the tangs will self-align. Here you can see the tangs and louvres locating fully once tapped with your mallet. Repeat the process for the remaining shelves. A telephone directory and rolling pin is very effective and saves you buying a mallet. The directory spreads the load and helps prevent damage. Let us know what worked for you. Once you fix the final shelf, you can then slot the 4 plastic feet supplied under the foot of each upright to protect your flooring. Finally, for health and safety reasons, You may want to fix the shelving unit to the wall. Use appropriate fixings and spacers where required. Using the same holes, you can attach a number of shelf units together, side by side or back to back. And that's it. Zamba shelving comes in different versions, boltless, bolted and framed units with either galvanised or powder-coated finishes. Available in 2, 3, 4, 5 or more shelf options. Zamba manufactures all types of shelving, wall-mounted, freestanding and even warehouse racking. Ask your Zamba dealer for more information on our full range of shelving and storage products, or check out other products on www.shelving-shelving.co.uk.